Hello traders, the time in London now is midnight 38, past midnight. Today is the 3rd of February 2011, and happy trading to you all. London is perfectly closed, New York is perfectly closed. Okay, this is the Asia session. Okay, and for all our Chinese TST W24 traders, we wish you a very happy new year. This is the year of the rabbit. Okay, maybe the rabbit will bring something new to the world. So happy rabbit new year to all our TST Chinese traders. Okay, and we wish you the very best in this new year of rabbit, that you may continue to cream the market and understanding the language of the price and becoming fluent in that language. Okay, so this is it. We are looking now at the USD yen currency pair. Okay, the currency pair that we titled a crazy currency pair. But in this video, I want to talk to you about a candlestick pattern. Okay, in the beginning of the year, we were showing you a pattern on the monthly chart of this USD yen currency pair. Okay, and those of you who have been following us for some time, you know that we are perfectly bullish towards the USD yen currency pair. Okay, long time. Okay, so it takes some time before we get the consensus where the general market will come to agreement to bring the price up. Okay, so this is it. Respecting other traders. Okay, and waiting for the clock. The clock is the last indicator. The price, the number one indicator. The clock, the last indicator. So we are just playing with the clock right now until everybody see exactly what we see. Okay, so all together we cream it to the upside. Okay, the pattern we were talking about before is that one down, one up, one down, one up. Okay, and this is the month of October that went down. Okay, and then we have the month of November that went up, and the month of December went down, and this is the month of January. The price did went up first, only to be pushed down by the bear, but the bear failed to display a new lower low. The price couldn't even close below the opening price of this green candle here, where I place my vertical line. I need to remove it so you can see it. Okay, so this one here, this is the new month of February, only 2 days so far, still red, but we are expecting this candle to start going up. Okay, so one down, one up, one down, one up. That's bullish. You buy and place your stop loss below the low of the fourth candle. Okay, if you remember clearly the condition, you can go and watch that video again. Okay, the third candle should not violate the low of the second candle here. Very important in this pattern. One down, one up, one down, one up. Okay, I want to show you another candlestick pattern. Okay, I do not use name for this. We want to see a downtrend first. Okay, so the price is going down, which means the price is displaying lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. The bear are enjoying themselves. No bull there to mess up the bearish party, which you are not supposed to do, because in a downtrend you want to sell. Do not try to mess the party of the bear. Let the bear enjoy themselves, because this is the time for the bear. So they were enjoying themselves, which was perfectly okay. Then the bull decided that that's enough. Okay, they pushed the price up to one particular level into this candle here, above even the median line of this candle, nearly to the high of this bearish candle. The bear get angry. Okay, and they decide to take control because the bull come into their territory. Okay, so they were enjoying themselves, so they started, the bull came and pushed the price here. So if we draw this candle all together, you'll see that all this was green, 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 green up to this level. But then at this point in time, the bear did not like what was going on. Okay, They come back and fight back, okay? They push the price back down, okay? But they fail to bring the price below the opening price, okay? So this is perfectly bullish candle. Very, very bullish. Why is it very, very bullish? Because the price was in final downtrend, but this bull were very aggressive and managed to kick the bear out of their land, okay? So they push it here, but then the bear fought back, but they couldn't bring the price below the opening price. This is very, 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 very bullish pattern. Very, very bullish pattern, okay? Understanding the language of the price, the psychology, the competition, what's going on in this candle here, is obvious that this candle here is very, very bullish. So we want to see a downtrend, and this what they call graveyard stone, whatever you call it. I do not know the names, but I know the language of the price, and I'm fluent in the language of the price. This is what I'm showing you here. Now we want to see another candle following this one that will be bullish, okay? Looking at the chart itself, okay, we want to see some real example of this blah 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 blah, okay? So if you look carefully here, the price was going down, 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 and then here this candle, when I place my vertical line, I need to move it so you can see it. The price did manage to go up first, up to this level here, okay? I need to remove my thing so you can see, okay? And then the bear get angry as usual and they push it, but in this case they managed to bring the price below the opening price, but not too far. So this is what I'm talking about. The closing price here, where my horizontal line is, I will draw horizontal line there. So this candle here, the closing price was here. That's where I draw horizontal line. Look at where the second candle did close, not too far. This is very, very bullish. So the bulls are in charge. You will have to compare the low. There was a new low. What's the difference? No big difference. If there is no big difference between the low, we can put a question mark on that bearish momentum, which is what has happened, which is exactly the situation here, okay? You see this little closing price here, compared to the closing price here, is quite big. And this one here, compared to this closing price, is quite big. This one here, closing price here, compared to this one here, is quite very big, okay? So, but look at, suddenly, the distance between the closing price of this candle and this one, look. And look what's happened. The next candle, those who understand the language of the price, they bought it straight away. Huge, bullish candle. You see, that's what's happened. This is the candle. Even though this one did close below the opening price, the distance between the closing price of this candle and this one, that's why you have to check, okay? So this is a very, 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 very powerful candlestick. You want to see at least a downtrend first, very important. You see here there was only 3 candles. This one was not successful, okay? This one here was not successful, okay? This one was not successful, okay? There was another one here was not successful, okay? Here this one was successful. You see they came down bearish. Phew. You want to see the bear really in chart, down, 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 okay? Which means they must be enjoying themselves. Here you can see that the bull were involved a bit here, or the tail. Here they were phew, 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 phew. Suddenly, boom. Okay, that's what we want to see. Okay, this one was nearly good, but they fell also here. And the same pattern we have here. You see, this candle went down. The month of January went up, and then they push it back down, but it fell. Plus the pattern that we learned before: one down, one up, one down, one up. Now February was up, we must look for opportunity to buy. But as like I said to you, we are expecting some important news tomorrow and Friday. If the economy news, okay, coming from United States are not good, the dollar will continue the movement to the downside. What we are talking about here is technical analysis. We must combine the technical analysis with the fundamental. That's my approach, okay? The middle line. Do not show total disrespect to the fundamental traders. If you are only technical trader and you say that it's all technical, okay, you are showing total disrespect to traders that are using the fundamental. You must always show respect to other participants in the market, because if the price is going up, you want to take part into it. When the price is going down, you want to take part into it. whether you are bullish or bearish. Okay, you don't, it doesn't matter. All you want is to take part in the direction of the price. That's why you must pay attention to other traders in the market. When you take position and say I'm bearish, and then you show total disrespect to other traders, and the market turn against you, that's where you will get into trouble. But if you are bearish, but you still pay attention to other traders, if you see the price going up, you are likely to join them. Okay, so you do not step aside and look and watch and feel bitter because your homework is not respected. Okay, so the fundamental traders, okay, have a reason, okay, to check the fundamental. We technical traders, we have also a reason to be technical traders. But combining those two together will make you excellent trader. Okay, so we know that the non-farm payroll, the unemployment claim in the United States must improve before people can definitely, the smart money can definitely start investing in the dollar again. So finger crossed, okay, so to speak, if we receive some excellent news tomorrow and Friday, the dollar should start smiling again, so to speak. Okay, the same pattern that I show you, I will show you that on the daily chart. That one did happen today. As you can see, the price was coming down, down, and today on the 2nd of February, where I put my vertical line, look carefully there, this one here. Okay, the price did went up first. The bear tried to push it down, but it fell to close below the opening price of today. This candle here, where I place my cursor, this one here. Okay, so this is the pattern I'm showing you now. I will show you again the pattern. Okay, this pattern, down, and then push up and push down, but fail to display a new lower low. Okay, so this is exactly what we have on the 2nd of February today. Regarding this USD yen, the crazy currency pair, the price was going down, and suddenly you see today the price went up first, and they tried to push it down, but they failed to close below. We are expecting tomorrow to be a very bullish day in normal condition, and if we receive some excellent economy news, that will be the turning point for the dollar once and for all. So if you receive excellent news tomorrow and Friday regarding the United States economy, we will know straight away that it's time to be, you will see the market running very fast, which means the people selling the Dow Jones, selling the S&P 500, selling the Euro USD. But sometimes the Euro USD, people are very bullish towards the Euro USD, so watch out for that. Okay, and do not take anything for granted. But this is the pattern, down, and then the candle go up first and they push it down, but they fail to display a significant, okay, new low. Significant, that's the key. Or they fail to display a significant new low. Okay, sometimes the price can close below the opening price, as I showed you earlier on, but if the distance between the previous closing price and the new closing price is not significant, we will put a question mark on that bearish momentum. This is about the language of the price using the candlestick pattern. I will show you again the candlestick pattern. So we want the price to be going down first. We want the bear to be enjoying themselves. We want the bear to be in total control. We don't want them to be 50% in control, 75% in control. We want them to be 100% in control of the move. So down, and then suddenly the bull came in and forced them away, and they tried to fight back, but failed to display a significant new low. Okay, so this is about this pattern. I show you on this chart. Okay, today you can perfectly use this pattern and with the swing 240 trading system. So you see this on a daily chart, you wait for London to open, and then you use your swing 240 trading system for excellent move. Okay, so because of this pattern is a very powerful candlestick pattern, and we see exactly the same candlestick pattern again on the monthly chart. Down, 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 down. Look at the month of January, which is here, exactly there, exactly the same thing on this monthly chart. So we will see whether excellent news will come up from United States. If we have some excellent economy news regarding the economy of United States, this currency pair should start going up, and people should be selling the euro. As we have been saying this for a long time, we are bearish towards the euro, bullish towards the dollar. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.